Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lego Harry Potter Hogwarts Express Collector's Edition Lego build. We are on bag number 6 today, and this is how far we are in the building. So this looks like a pretty big bag of pieces, so I think we are making Hermione here. So there's that, yep. So I'll go ahead and show the first two pieces, or first two pages, if you will. There's that, and that. I actually don't know where the legs are. Well, I need to open this anyway. We'll go ahead and just open everything up. And if we find them, then we find them. So, got everything opened up. Give another little look. Okay, so that goes there. But we need the legs to go through. Let me find the legs before I start this. They're right there. Y'all were probably screaming at me the whole time because they were literally right there. Okay. And it's like she's got her little wand here. Please. Okay. Try and get that back out. There we go. Nope. Dang it. Okay. So, there's Hermione. You can put her by the conductor there. Throw that to the side. Okay. So, starting off, I already showed that page, so we can go ahead and start. I need two little. Nope. There we go. There's that. And we need, not that, this one. It goes on top. There we go. Okay, and then this long piece goes on top. Here are the next couple pages. Or, not pages, but I mean, I guess it is a couple pages, you know, two. But there you go. And looks like we need this and a black piece to go on the bottom. Like that. There we go. Okay, and now we need this square. I need another, there it is. Another black brick. It goes like that. And now we need this, and it looks like a stud goes in the middle piece. Like that. And just goes under it. Right? Yep. Okay. Need you facing like that. And we need 2 of those. There's that, and another one. And it goes, as I break that piece off, goes like that. And now we need 2 little black 1x2s that go in front, like that. Come on, we need a yellow brick that goes on the end. Perfect. And these that go on the back. Let's throw the pieces. Go on the back. There we go. And we're on to the next page. There you go. And we have quite a few on this side. Okay, so the black goes not even with that, just one back. We'll do it again. And the long blues. And the 2 whites go on top of here. Okay, we need to do that twice. It goes on either side of this thing. Okay, there's that done. Okay, now looking at it like this, we need 4 of these. And then the black pieces go up here. Ooh, that was a good snap. See if I can do it again. Yes. No, that one didn't. Okay, we just need 1 more. Where are you? There you are. Okay. And we need the other yellow brick to go. Not there. 1, 2, 3. But I don't know if that's a 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay, I don't know why I'm looking at that. And then this piece goes straight off of there, like that. And now we need 10 of these. Go like that, okay. Okay. On to the next page. And looks like we're messing with this kind of stuff again. So there's that. Give it another second. And the next page. Okay, so we need one of these. It looks like the longer, so looking at it like this, the longer side goes through like that on both of them. Not both of them, but wait, okay, so still looking at it like this, we need a green. Go through like that on both of them. Oh wait, hang on. This blue goes in the bottom of both of the greens. So still looking at it like this. No. Yes. No. Okay. Oh my goodness, okay. Hope you enjoy seeing me struggle with this. What the heck? There we go. Okay. That's wrong though. Crap, okay. So wait, okay, so looking at it like this. This needs to go on like this, right? Yes. Okay, so we need to put this black piece on first. Which, don't look at the directions because it literally says to put the black piece on first. Okay, so that goes there. We need another one. Another one goes on like so. And it goes this way. Looking at it like this, it goes this way. Like that. Yes, okay. Wow. So now this goes up here in two longer white pieces. Go along the top of those. Where are the little black pieces at? There you are. There's 1 and 2. And the gray goes all the way along the side, it looks like. Like that. Perfect. And the long, oh boy. Then the weird piece. Where's the weird piece at? There it is. I think. Yep. So that goes there. I need 4 of these. They could have made this book a whole lot thicker if they just made this, or made more steps, I guess. Because there's a lot of pieces in some of these steps. Okay, so one goes there. Red goes there, and over here. Like that. Black, red, yep. Okay. Here comes the next 2 pages. And this one. Okay. So there we go. And the white goes there. Now we need a circle thing, 3 there. This goes around that. Now we need this to go here. Perfect. And this little gray piece goes there. So now we're building a circle around the circle. You know, I forgot to get those bigger pieces that I'm gonna need. So hopefully they're easy to find. Okay, so now we're looking at it like this. I'm gonna need to put that here. A long black piece goes beside it. And then a red hook thing. And then a shorter red piece. And then oh, okay. I was like, that's not in. Ooh, that's a satisfying snap. Okay. Now just 2 reds. Okay. Here are the next 2 pages. Okay, yeah. I was like, do I have that giant piece? There we go. And we're spinning it around. Now we're on this side. Kind of doing the same thing. Sideways. Long black piece. Another sideways hook, but in red. Now I need a flat red piece. Then same as the other side. There we go. Now we are on this step. This is the front that we need. And this just snaps on. Just like that. Now we spin it around and it looks like we're putting these on. Okay. We need this. This thing goes in the center. Then this thing. And the wheel. I was wondering why there's a car wheel in here. And you flip it and it goes here. It's the smokestack. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. So here's the next step, is putting it on the train. And then the next step is building some supports for it. So let's go ahead and put it on here. Guess we figured out what that blue thing is. It's just a piece that tells you where to put it. And this, let's snap that in like that. Something. It's kind of black, so you can't really see it, but sorry for the lack of light. Maybe, yeah, you can sort of see it. So there you go. And then need to find these super long pieces, so give me a minute. I don't think that's them. Sorry, I know it's loud. Sorry. I think I found them. Okay. Please. There we go. And last one. All right. So I messed up the front light, my bad. All right, that's it for, I think I showed it, but that's it for that part. So I think all we have left of the main train is the, hang on. Let me actually go to the front page here, because I think all we have left is it's just the wheels. Yep. So looking at this, we might actually have more than 31 parts, like I thought. So who knows? Who knows how many parts this will actually be. But anyway, if you enjoyed and want to see more of the Hogwarts train being built, we still have the coal car and we have the actual car where the students ride. So if you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, comment if you want, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you.